In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Gmail account from another device. So first, let's open up the Google app. So open it up and then click on your profile icon at the top right. And then click on Manage Your Google Account in the middle. And then over here, you'll see all your personal information. Click on Security and Sign In. And then over here, scroll down until you see Google Prompt. Click on that. And here you'll have to enter in your password. Once you have entered your password, you're going to be allowed into the Google prompts, and you'll see all the devices that you have signed in into this account in. If you want to remove any of them, scroll down and click Manage Devices, and then as you can see, you'll see all the sessions that you can sign out of. So just select a session, so click on the most bottom selection here, and then you'll see Sign Out. And that's how you can basically sign out of any of these sessions. And that's basically it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.